Inside an abandoned shipping container from Guangdong, China, treasure hunters were shocked to find it packed with mannequins. This discovery left everyone surprised. Usually, goods shipped from China can be quite valuable, but according to the host, this container had been dropped during transport, causing most of the mannequins to break apart. At first glance, it looked like nothing but trash. Then Anna spotted several plastic bags inside. She guessed they might hold something valuable. She quickly placed a bid of $1,000. Tiger raised it to $2,000. The Uzi brothers jumped in right after, offering a stunning $9,500. Faced with such a high price, Anna chose to step back. Would the Uzi brothers really make their money back? As the inspection continued, the mannequins were indeed found to be worthless. But inside those plastic bags, treasure hunters uncovered luxury backpacks. One turned out to be a genuine Gucci bag. And to their surprise, there was also a Chanel bag worth $1,500. The hunters were thrilled with the find. On the shelves, they discovered dozens more bags. After counting them all, the total profit reached nearly $30,000. Meanwhile, Matthew